Hi, my name is Jed, and my partner Tony and I worked on predicting screenplay quality using textual features. The motivation behind our research was to answer the question, what makes a good movie? The screenplay is the fundamental textual building block of a film, and we really wanted to take a look at the textual features that made a quality movie. The express objective of our project is to create a model that can accurately predict screenplay quality using only textual and text level features. In addition, we want to look at the key features of the text that let us predict this screenplay quality. An important thing to note is that previous work related to this domain typically involves the analysis of non-textual features in order to predict movie success. These include features such as box office receipts and actors and things like that.
So moving on to our method, we wanted to build features specific to screenplays that were informed by screenplay formatting, film theory, and literary theory, since our objective is to understand the screenplay quality. So in addition, we wanted to build features that could capture shifts in sentiment over the duration of a film, because we think that being able to understand or capture the narrative arc of a screenplay could be crucial to determining its quality. And we do this by segmenting the film based off the conventional 3-act structure that many films use. And in addition to this, we build features specific to dialogue and to action lines. For our data, there's no data source for screenplay ratings. So instead, we build our own binary response variables for good and bad screenplays. And we do this by using the Rotten Tomatoes aggregation of critics' ratings, which actually measures the quality of film as a whole, but we only consider films with very bad reviews and films with very good reviews. And we assume that films with very bad reviews will have worse screenplay quality than films with much better reviews. A big part of the project was parsing the screenplay. Screenplays are supposed to follow strict formatting guidelines. And there are several components of screenplay. For example, there are scene headings, transitions, dialogue, and action lines. So we created a parser that annotated every line in the screenplay. Below is an example of a parse. So we have two types of features. We have text-level features and textual features. So for text-level features, we calculate them for each screenplay segment. These include the ratio of dialogue lines to action lines and the distribution statistics for number of words in dialogue and action lines. For example, the standard deviation and the mean. And also we calculate the proportion of voice over dialogue and the proportion of off-screen dialogue. And in terms of textual features, we calculate measures of concreteness and abstractness and features relating to emotional dimensions, and we get this lexicon from the Harvard Journal Inquirer.
Additional textual features that we examined involved textual complexity, the diversity of vocabulary, and also sentiment features generated from SentiWordNet. Continuing on, after we finished collecting our features, we built some basic initial models to classify the data, including logistic regression and naive Bayes classifiers. In the future, we'll be working on other nonlinear models, including random forest models, and also pre-processing our features.
Thank you.